What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we have got something slightly special. It's a Tomica, but it's a Tomica event model, so it's slightly different from your main lines in the sense that this only gets released when it's a special event, is what I assume. So this is number 6 of that event special model. Besides this, there isn't any indication of what the car is throughout the entire packaging. So obviously there's nothing here that says Tomica event model and stuff in Japanese. Number 6 as well. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. So this cost me $9.95, $10. So it doesn't say what car it is, but I think you're gonna love this car because, and I opened the plastic beforehand because this did not have a plastic on it. The main lines don't really have a plastic, but we're gonna unbox it. So right away you guys can actually tell what it is. It is a Toyota Supra. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So Tomica for this event released a Toyota Supra in this amazing black paint job, and I had to get this because I think Supras, they do hold a certain value in the market, and I think Supras are a car that all collectors should have. So if you guys remember, I actually did a video on a Supra quite some time back, the Hot Wheels Premium Boulevard Supra, if I'm not wrong. That video, a lot of people liked it, a lot of people actually commented on the video. So I think this Supra is gonna, appeal to all those of you out there who actually love JDMs and who are huge fans of the Toyota Supra. I am not so much of a fan of JDMs. I'm more of an exotic kind of guy, but irregardless, I think this is an amazing casting. It's very simple, very basic, yet has a lot of stories. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing and walk through the car, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So obviously this is the Toyota Supra. I think this is an old gen 3. I do not think this is a gen 4. It's a gen 2 or 3, I'm not really sure. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you know which gen this is. Like, I don't think it's a gen 4, right? Anyways, the Mark 4, sorry. So right off the bat, the black color is actually very nice. It's a very basic, but it actually looks nice. I mean, it doesn't look cheap, it doesn't look bad. It's a nice paint scheme, paint job. No details, obviously. The wheels, you guys have always heard me complain about these wheels. So these are the Tomica mainline, basic wheels. No idea why they don't change it, but this is what we have. The wheels spin amazingly well though. Obviously they have suspensions because all mainlines do. The one thing that's cool, doors can be opened, which reveals a not so well done interior. I would say the doors aren't really painted well. You can see right here, which is a bit of a disappointment, but I don't think it's something people would really care about. And if you look at the front, obviously we've got the Toyota logo. Headlights, if the headlights had popped up, or I could pop up like the Lamborghini Diablo, if I'm not wrong, that would have been cool, but it does. I can't really pop. The headlights are just for show right there. That's a bit disappointing. It would have been nice. Besides that, obviously we've got the headlights, these indicator lights as well. On the left side of the vehicle here, you got one detail, and that is Tomica event model. So this is the only thing in the car that says this is special because it's an event model, which I guess all my cars, I display them this way, which means I know in the box you can actually see this. So I think that really symbolizes something. It makes the car look nice and it makes it feel special. That's about it. Once again, no details whatsoever except for the obviously Tomica event model decal. Doors still quite badly done. You guys can see the silver paint, unfinished paint job. Obviously the interior, it's a right hand drive car like all Asian cars. And the rear, obviously we've got a huge tail light, very classic old school headlights. If you look at the bottom of the vehicle, or just look at the bottom of the vehicle, I think it has some details that we should talk about. So obviously the Toyota Supra is a very shiny black base. So obviously there are some little details like in the front and the rear. Obviously you can see the entire exhaust manifold with the muffler and the 2 exhaust tubes that go out right there. Let me just see if I can get it. I don't know why my phone's acting so weird with the focus. It won't autofocus, which is quite frustrating. Kind of ruins the whole video. But yeah, all in all, this is the Mark 3, I assume. Mark 3 Toyota Supra. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below if let me know in the comments below if this is worth collecting, if it's worth your time. I think it's a nice piece, it's gonna go well. So obviously I got this with the 2 Ferrari FXX case. I'll put a link to that videos in the description below. So I had that, and then obviously I bought this with that as well. And Takashimaya were really nice to reserve this for me whilst I made my way down there. So huge massive shout out to them, they've been really nice. And yeah, not much details. And the top as well, obviously you can see some details in the back, nothing much as well. Obviously there are some issues with the paint, it isn't perfectly painted, but it doesn't really matter that much. So yeah, we're gonna do a few rolling shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like I guess we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. Actually, an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It's gonna go insanely well in my collection. But just like I guess this video is over. It was a rather short one, and I'm out. Bye.